Hi folks, Professor Amachi wanted to take you through troubleshooting the MI project here. And what we got here is a website here. It looks like it could be better because there's some typos and stuff in here. And there's some things we could fix. So being solutions focused here, as a developer, that's the attitude we take, right? So let's fix it. Could be fun. All right, so the first thing, some typos in here. Uh, so let's see, that's select, select, yeah, that's down here, select a plan. We also need, we also do need the dollar signs in here. Okay, so let's save that. Yep, so we have this. Now you notice here too that the this looks a little bit off, the text here. I think it's because of this, right? So under here, this is referencing under CSS, first call, and notice that we got a capital C there. However, in the HTML, it's not. So these are case sensitive, folks. So let's see if we could fix that. And yeah, it's looking a lot better there. So yep, case matters in this case. Pun intended. All right, so let's see. Text is looking a little bit off, so let's see what we can do to fix that. So let's fire up the tables here. Let's take a look. So we got the background, it's linear gradient to bottom and fading all the way to black. So yeah, we got that. It's linear gradient is starting from here, going all the way to black. All right. See right here, this is pixel, solid gray. All right. THTD for those there. 3 pixels solid gray, 1.48 pixel. Okay, good. TH, we're going for background is black. Color is that. And let's also do this. Font weight. Let's go normal there. Okay, font weight normal. Okay, save. And we got our font weight is being normal here. So good, let's keep going. All right, so the other thing, I think these boxes here need to follow this linear gradient all the way down. So as it is, this is kind of acting like a header up here, which we don't necessarily want. So I think that's under pricing here. Okay, and look for that 24/7 support. Yes. So these are supposed to be TDs, not THs. Okay, maybe there's an easy way that we can wrap these. Maybe we'll just have to look for this. So we'll do find, replace it with TD. Maybe we could do it that way. Right, and then this tag here, we're gonna replace this. Okay, find that and then replace it with slash. Okay, Okay, so we'll close that up. Okay, save that, and yeah, much better, much better. So we fixed that. We got the text here, and let's see. Okay, I think this color might be a little bit off. So this is what it's supposed to look like here. And so let's see if we can find this, shall we? So this will more than likely be in the CSS here. So in the CSS, the table headers, found it. Let's try that. Much better. Okay, there we go. Much, much better. Comparing it to this, yeah, I think we're good to go. So that is how to troubleshoot and fix your Marlin internet page here. Okay, so fix that and have fun, and we'll see you on the next one.